Hello everyone and welcome to this unit. As you know, the contents of this video will be very useful to create a final product of our new project called Yummy Yummy. Let's start then. I need to go to the grocery today. I have to buy some sugar, some flour, 1 pineapple, and 4 apples. Any idea why I have highlighted these words in green? Let's talk about countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that you can count. They can take either the singular form or the plural form. If they are singular nouns, they can either take the articles a, an, or any before the noun. In the case of a, an, we use these two articles in affirmative sentences. In the case of any, we use this article for interrogative or negative sentences. Let's see some examples. I want a banana. Here we put a before the noun because first it's singular and then we have to take into account that the noun begins with a consonant, so we put a. If the noun begins with a vowel and it's singular, we put an before. Then, if we've got a question, we put any. Is there any egg? No, there isn't. Negative sentence. We put any as well, so there isn't any egg. In the case of plural nouns, we use either some for affirmative sentences or any for questions and negative sentences. There are some bananas. We have a plural noun, so we put some before because it's an affirmative sentence. In questions, are there any apples? It's a question, plural noun, we put any. And in negative sentences, we put any before. So there aren't any apples. So before the plural noun, we put any. In the case of uncountable nouns, well, these nouns are nouns that you can't count. And they only have the singular form, so they don't have a plural form. In this case, we use the articles some for affirmative sentences and any for questions and negative sentences. In these examples, for example, we have there is some milk in the fridge. So milk is an uncountable noun. We put some because it's an affirmative sentence. Is there any rice? Question. We put any before the noun, in this case uncountable noun. No, there isn't. Short answer. He doesn't want any coffee. We put any before the uncountable noun because it's a negative sentence. Then, as I told you, these nouns can't be counted, but there is one way to count these things, and this is using a partitive expression. For example, we have a spoon of sugar. You can count spoons of sugar. You can say 1 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of sugar, 3, 4, 5 spoons of sugar. The same with a cup of tea, 2 cups of tea, a loaf of bread, 2 loaves of bread, etc. And the same with a bar of chocolate, 1 bar of chocolate, 2 bars of chocolate, etc. Okay? Then, thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.